Yeah, we're living life. Camping in a secret spot. Nobody knows. We're definitely under the radar.
Yes, sir.
In the ride, Paul.
We're out here in the country. That's what we're doing. And we're out here, and we're just gonna do ourselves a little camping here. And we're gonna eat us some steak and drink us some beer.
That's it.
And I'm from Alabama, by the way. That's it's Paul from Alabama. We're gonna do us some fishing.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
#1, baby.
You can see the skitters in the camera too. I can see the skitters from here. Son of a gun. All right, we're about to grill something here shortly. Oh, hold on.
My name's Bob.
So what's your name, sir?
My name's Bob, and I got myself some kebab here.
No way, man. For real? What you got?
We're gonna put some seasoning on here.
Holy
And then
crap.
we're gonna put it on this here fire.
Holy crap.
And that's what we're gonna do.
Man,
See this right here?
you're freaking ready.
Chicken, steak, kebabs with Bob.
So we do everything.
We do everything.
We got everything and everything.
Yeah.
And the music.
Today we are
With commercials.
Today we're on Pensacola Beach. Tomorrow we might be at your home knocking on the door.
Yeah. And we're gonna eat good again.
We're gonna get you some
Yeah.
chicken steak kebabs.
There's nobody on a diet here. Who said we're on a diet? Oh my God, people, look at this food. That is retarded. Look at that steak.
That is well done.
That'll make anybody jealous.
And nothing goes as well.
Taters.
Look at all this.
You got brewskis? We got brewskis in there.
Ooh, Stella is my friend.
We got brewskis. Oh, wow. Yeah, mate. Look at that fire. Holy frijoles. Yeah.
This is scene 1.
Yes, sir.
Coming back with you here in a little bit.
Look at that. Beautiful scenery. That's just awesome.
Bob and Angel. Bob and Angel saying sayonara for us.
All right, guys, this is P-Man once again, and we are in a undisclosed area or location. Cannot tell you that. And we're gonna be doing some camping. As you can see here, we got some lights. Only one. That's the truck over there hiding in the bushes. That's the tent. Spoil just killing it. And we about to eat some of the best steak in the world. And I'm not lying to you guys. This steak is sirloin steak. We're about to serve that joker up. But anyways, we're gonna let you know how everything goes later on. We are under the rain. It's been real bad. I want to have you guys see how the clouds are turning up. All right, let's hear the frogs for a minute. Yeah,
What's that?
they going off tonight, huh? Them frogs.
Oh man, they always do.
They living it. All right. Good deal.
Daggone genius. What happened?
No, I'm just saying. You're going for it. It's gonna go. It's gonna flame it.
Mosquito.
He's gonna flame it. There we go. That should be good. Music, steak, chicken kebabs,
Get it,
beer,
Jim. Get it, Jim.
brewskis.
Get it, Jim.
There you go.
Get it, Jim.
Get a job, 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 get, yep.
Fire, light it, light it, light it. Come on.
Yeah, there he goes. There goes the fire.
Woo! Light it. Light. Woo! Jim doesn't want to play today.
Yeah, it's
Hold
flaming.
on. I'll get Jimmy
It's flaming.
I'm gonna get Jimmy out. I'm gonna get him out. Come on, Jim. Get out of that prison you're in. We're gonna get you out today. We're gonna get you out.
Yeah. Hold on, let me stand back a little bit. This might be a flamer. Whoa.
Come
There
on,
we go.
Jim. Come on, Jim.
Light it up, light it up, light it up.
Dude, Jim doesn't want to play today.
What the hell is going on?
It's strange.
That is weird, ain't it? Let's do it again.
There it is.
Fire that baby
Woo,
up.
Jimmy's here.
That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir.
Light that fire.
Woo. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Do you mention we got Wi-Fi at the beach?
I like them apples.
There you go.
Killer.
Yeah, we got Wi-Fi, sir.
Here's the Wi-Fi on the beach.
Wi-Fi on the beach.
And to
Actually,
Jim Morrison, who gave us really a lot of poems, and one of the most craziest sons of bitches I've ever met.
and it's actually on the secret beach.
Yeah, he's right there over the fire.
Right here. If you guys don't believe me,
You heard it here, folks. He's right there. There he is. 1970.
I'm not playing around. It's a real deal. And that's the fire. See, I ain't playing around. Jim Morrison, fire.
Morrison.
Morrison,
Fire.
fire. Fire. Morrison. You get the picture.
Oh my gosh, that's fucking priceless.
You get the picture.
Dude, look. Now he won't even let us take the light off.
Oh no.
Jim's like, I'm staying. Look. Look.
You can bring it down or bring it more?
Watch.
Really? Oh wow, that's crazy.
You
Wow.
try it. I'm telling you.
I'll try it.
Here, I'll hold. You try.
Let's see. All right, let me try, guys.
Jim. Fire.
What?
Told you. Take the batteries out. See what happens.
All right. That is weird, man.
Hey, I told you,
That
here.
is freaking weird. Hold on, give me 1 second.
Oh, it did work.
It did? Nah, we don't know that yet. So this, uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
There it's on now.
Well, this is kind of odd.
Uh-huh. Now push the button.
Hold on. All right, let's see.
Jim, here.
No, you want
Jim is here.
It's here.
Jim is here.
Here is
Here is Jim.
Oh my, that's crazy, ain't it? Hold on, let me try this.
Hey, don't let anything fool you. This happens to me all the time. Spirits just follow me. So,
Dude, this is weird, man.
I told you.
This is weird. Don't Boogie ready.
Yes, we do.
The Super FJ Cruiser.
The key is to keep moving. Saw suspicious. We were coming out here because my friend got stuck. And I'm the only one that could have got him out.
Here we go again. The gray one?
Can you see that?
Yeah, so
Oh, you know what it is? This is the garbage guy.
yeah, he got the green thing.
Look at this nice little river. We got ourselves a little lake.
It's pretty cool there.
You see my tire marks?
Oh, let's see. It's over there. No, right here, right here.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, right here.
So there is that guy.
And right here to the
Like
right.
right?
Yeah, to the right. To the right, to the right.
Yeah. And then
Then keep it going straight, see the
Okay.
try marks, all the way. You got water there, so you're gonna have to like.
I'm just making that, letting that truck go.
There you go. There you go. All
All right.
right, right in front, right in front again. Going that way
Got it.
and that way. Yeah, and that way.
Got it.
This way here. Yeah.
Those good ones.
And then go that way.
Yeah. Put it in the wrong
And then this way. Then we're close to the water. Yeah. My truck's still there. That's good news. This way. In the middle. And then no, oh, that way.
What is that right?
Well, we missed it.